Just when you thought you were done with the kitchen. Okay, I forgot a couple little things. Now, the first time I saw this, I thought it was the toilet scrubber, but it's not. This is obviously a bottle cleaner, and I don't know if you can see that it's silicone, so it's not plastic. Again, Norwex is away from like all the plastics, so we have enough plastics that never decompose, and they're still sitting there rotting, and they will be for decades. This thing is really great. You know those little stainless steel water things that we all bring around too? Great for getting in and cleaning those. So, but let's say you have also a thinner wine glass or maybe like a champagne flute. This is really cool. Norwex sells these together with, and again it says backlock, so you know you never have to ask, does this one have silver in it? It does. So you put this on there for your more delicate things. So again, without this little cover, you can do your water bottles and that type of thing. But with the cover, you wet it and you'd have soap on it, and you go in and you do your more delicate things like your wine or champagne glasses. And it gets even those little, you know, stains of red wine that get stuck down here off. And it's, again, not going to stink, and it's going to really sanitize it because of the backlock. Okay, that's another thing. Again, staying away from the plastics, Norwex has developed these silicone lids. So instead of using saran wrap to put your stuff back in the fridge when you're done with it, you can put one of these lids on. So I'm just going to show you an example. This is pretty heavy, by the way, so I'm really afraid, but I'm going to try. As long as the lip is bigger, larger around, so we're going to put that on there. You see the suction that this thing gets. This is a very heavy thing. So anyway, and then if you lift it from the side, it comes right off. Wow. So that is really cool. And they sell these in the large and the small. There's also like a rectangular shape in that for, let's say you're doing casseroles and that, and you want to just slide the whole thing in the fridge when you're done. You just put this on top and you're good to go. And no, they don't melt. They're built to withstand the dishwasher, the microwave, and also high heats. So good to know. And it's another safer way. I mean, they say that there's now more plastic in our ocean. Very soon there will be more plastic in our ocean in weight than there will be fish. Isn't that amazing? So we gotta really get away from the plastic. And I wanna know too, along those lines, paper towels. I can't remember the last time I used a paper towel, for real. Like cleaning jobs, I never use paper towels anymore. And you know how much money that is, and again, paper that we're going through. So when I use my EnviroCloth, and then the polishing cloth on the mirrors, they come out streak-free. I mean, look at that, that's shining. And no paper towels. So again, we're creating less waste. It's a very small investment with your Norwex products when you think of the fact that you're just gonna take all those cleaning supplies and wipe them off into the trash, and you really don't need them again. And you're just gonna be using water. So it's actually more economic when you think about it. All right, so let's go into the bathroom, and we're gonna clean a bathroom with our supplies. Oh boy, oh boy. Okay. So just to show you how fast you can clean a bathroom if you want. I'm just gonna, I haven't even, you know, this is still wet from the last job, but we're just gonna clean this mirror while we're at it, sans butter. I got my polishing cloth. It's so easy. There we go. Okay, so we now have our clean and streak-free mirror. And I'm going to show you, I love this mitt. It's the shower and bath mitt. Oh, I didn't show you how you have to do, I can't even do it, your Spock fingers or your Yoda finger. Help you clean, I will, when you put your hands in this thing. And then again, I don't know if you can hear, it's got this really abrasive sponge-like, again, it's taking the place of a sponge that's going to stink. It's got this abrasive side, and then you've got this really sleek polishing side. It's kind of like your polishing cloth, except this one, you can see it is a lot more velvety. So how do you use this? You can either, so we got a good porcelain sink for an example, take our blue diamond or the paste. Honestly, I use either one. You barely need any. You see I just put a few drops in. I'm gonna wet it. And you also could simply just use water with this as well, but this has a little bit of a ring going on, so I'm going to work at that for a minute and get around here. Oh, by the way, I love this blue diamond, look at the effect you get on the chrome with that.
Very shiny.
Oh my word. Like, it gets the water spots off. Look at that. And then I'm going to polish it with the other side. Oh my word. Do you see this? This is why I actually can have fun cleaning people's homes. Let's say we've got a little bit more stubborn one like this. I'm going to use my EnviroCloth and the paste, because you can see this. Really, there's something called the descaler, which is better for it. There you go. See, I just need the right tool. This is plain on rust. But I'm going to go around.
What?
I'm gonna
Rust in Florida?
I know. How is that possible? What do we have? Hard water here? There. I'm working that right in. I don't know if you can see that side. Again, only half Phoenix. I'm only doing half. There.
I'll learn the other half.
I know. I just want to do that as a comparison. This we need the descaler for, but it's still getting it off.
really
For,
harsh.
to tell you the truth, it's doing a good job, but descaler would be better. I was telling Phoenix it sounds like a superhero name, the descaler. But that is a product. I unfortunately don't have a sample to show you today. Mine is on the way. See, I have a wish list too. And that is more intended for hard water spots and rust. So for right now though, we're just going to use water to get all that off. And our sink looks fab. So much better, right? And then let's go into our tub. Oh, so one thing I want to show you. Let me rinse this with warm water. And then, you know in the shower tiles how it gets the water spotting? Not even hard water spotting, but you know, you can just tell someone's had a shower in there. So the paste is really good in my opinion. I'm just going to stand in here. Holy cow. Okay, that's wet. I'm just going to kill myself. Okay. And
No people were injured in the filming of this video.
Oh my word, and there goes my washing cloth. This type of thing. Okay, well these towels are too clean. It's going to be hard to tell.
Oh, we'll see. That's redemption for the oven.
Yeah, that's redemption. And I'm going to reach up here and get my chrome in the meantime.
Don't fall. I would feel so bad.
You know, there. I don't know if you can see that either.
Yes.
But anyway, when it says like little white shower tiles, like what I have in my bathroom, just a little bit of this paste in your EnviroCloth just does, like, I mean, there's not even a fingerprint left on them. I don't know if you can see anything on this. Yeah. This is a really nice print because you really can't tell if it's dirty or clean, but it is clean.
I haven't cleaned it in a year. You just didn't know.
Perfect, yeah. Okay, so you get the idea, and I do want to say how well this little mitt does in a tub, simply because the surface is so huge. So you can, let me take this off. Get down and get dirty. So we got a lot of stuff here. I'm just going to show you, just because the very surface of this covers so much, you can so quickly get a tub done. It's like amazing. I say it really. Oh, here, get in this corner right here. So there was a lot of like stuff kind of gathered up. I'm just going to take my polishing side, get that right off. There. I don't know if you can see the difference or not. Sometimes it's hard to tell on film, but
huge difference.
But it's like it just takes that ring off. I'm not sure. Can you see the difference between that?
So nice.
Yes. So this shower mitt is worth its weight in gold.
Don't look at that part. Look at that part.
Don't look at that. Okay, so one more thing I want to show you. Oh, another thing I want to say is, again, technically, now, I mean, you can wash down your entire toilet. Oh, wait, I have to show you this book. Come on now. Isn't this great? I'm not even going to say it out loud. Funny. So
That's what happens when you have 10 and 14-year-old boys using the bathroom.
Hey, who needs boys? That's hysterical. So you can wipe down your entire porcelain toilet with your EnviroCloth, and it really is sanitized. And I mean, you remember, I started out in the kitchen and going in here. No cross-contamination, mind you. Technically, if you wanted to, you could reach this sucker down in the bowl and clean it out. I'm not going to do that. You can. And I mean, there's videos of girls doing that. But they also sell quite the nice wand that's made of silicone, and you take your blue diamond, just a tiny bit of that, because remember, it's the toilet bowl cleaners that are the worst, so this is a safe one, and go under the rim. It's very effective and no bacteria. Oh, this is what I was going to show you. Again, I'm not going to, should I?
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Yeah,
this
it
is
shouldn't
pretty
be
fresh.
too bad. Yeah, it shouldn't be too
It's only a
bad.
day or so, as you can tell. But I don't want to know where this has been. No, I'm just kidding. So
The laundry.
Okay, good. So it's a typical hand towel, but this is the Norwex. It's a chenille hand towel. It's really awesome. You can just slip this right onto your ring. Here. Okay, there we go. And it hangs here. This is never going to stink. You're going to have kids, the whole family using it. It might take a little getting used to, because see how you have to dry your hands? Like, pat it, rub it. But it's so soft. I wish you could feel this. It's really a nice, it's chenille. So it's a little bit different feel. You might have to get used to just the motion not being like scrub. You're drying your hand like this. So it took me a little bit to get used to that. But now I like it and I appreciate it. So they have smaller ones for kids. They have cute little animal faces on it as well.
Cute.
Okay, so that's our bathroom demo.
All right. Thanks. Bye.